What's up guys, it's Donnie, and today we're gonna review the Pogo wireless earbuds from Veenax. Veenax asked me to review their wireless earbuds, so they sent me a pair for me to check it out. Opening the box, you can see a case, the wireless earbuds themselves, a charging cable, and some different sizes ear tips. The case that comes with it actually is pretty good. For the price of the wireless earbuds, I feel like these are pretty stable enough for you to just throw in your gym bag, which means you don't really need the case. So you pretty much have a free case to use with other things, like your memory card or game cards for your video game. And now it's pretty useful and you can use it with other things. The cord is pretty long and they're tangle free. What I like about it is the design. The controls, compared to like some of the smaller controls where you kind of have a hard time finding where the volume button and where the play pause button is. But in this case, they're pretty big enough. Well, not so overbearingly big, but they're big enough that they fit with the whole style. Another thing, at the back of the earbuds are pretty magnetic. So, it's something you can just place it around your neck, snap the magnetic sides together, and pretty much they'll hang around your neck, and for sure you won't be able to lose them. It is good that the company ship different ear tips, but what I like about it is they actually fit in your ear pretty well. You don't have to like really stick them in all the way inside your eardrum. They're pretty comfortable, and they stay well in your ear. But another good thing about it is you can adjust the cable to have it hook under your ear well. This kind of reminds me about the headphones that Google shipped out. So with that combination, it's actually pretty secure. So I actually tried it while biking and running, and they never really fell off. But how about the sound? Veenax told me these are mostly for bass-heavy users. I don't listen to much bass-heavy music. Bass is pretty heavy. They're pretty punchy. And they're very clear. I wish I was a little bit more clear in the highs though. So if you're gonna listen to more classical music or something that's more vocal-heavy music, I don't think you will like these, but these are meant to be fitness headphones. So most of the time you'll be listening to like workout music or bass heavy music, really heavy, loud rock music. Maybe not death metal because you may punch somebody, but anyhow, I listen to that too. I've been trying this, but we're gonna try it with a microphone. Let's listen to some safe copyrighted music. So maybe we'll check on YouTube. Even though it's very bass heavy, it's not too distorted. They're pretty loud even though you put your volume on normal setting. Of course, when you go high, you may see some distortion, but it's not too bad. It's not too distorted. I like the comfort of these, and I like how they'll sit around your neck if you're not using them. And like I said, I like how they fit in your ear. The bass is pretty loud. And again, I'm not much of a bass listener, but listening to them like, wow. Okay, for a headphone this price, the drivers are pretty strong. Testing the battery life, I got about 6.5 hours of continuous play. And on Amazon, it's only $33, so it's a pretty good buy. So that's my review of the Veenax Pogo wireless earbuds. If you like this video, give it a like. Comment to me about your favorite wireless earbuds that you use. And as usual, subscribe for future content. Again, this is Donnie. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.